Now, I call upon the organizing chairman, Dr. Suryakanta Das, to deliver the welcome address.
Thank you, Anushka. Respected dignitaries of today's meeting, our chief guest, Dr. Harshvardhan, Indian Health Minister. It's a proud privilege to have you here, sir. The guest of honors, Dr. Nikhilesh Vaid, the President, World Federation of Orthodontics. Our President, Dr. Silju Matthew, Honorary Secretary IOS, Dr. Sridevi Padmanabhan, President-elect Sri Krishna Chalzani, sir, immediate past President, Dr. Vinod Krishnan, the Scientific Chairman of Orthobyte, and Dr. Salil Nene, the Organizing Secretary of Orthobyte 2020. All other Principal Office Bearers of Indian Orthodontic Society, the Conference Organizing Committee members, dear national and international delegates. A warm and hearty welcome to you all to this event. Well, it's a historic moment for me to address you as the organizing chairman of Orthobyte 2020, the first virtual conference of Indian Orthodontic Society. We humans adapt to any challenge by evolving our mindset, skill, the technology, etc. Right? We in Indian Orthodontic Society have proven it in this COVID times. You know, within a very short span, 2.5 months exactly, literally 2.5 months, a program or conference of this stature or this content was planned, executed, and it's ready now for delivery. You know, this itself is an example how decisive is the iOS leadership, number one. Number two, how disciplined are the COC members. And number three, of course, the support of the general membership of iOS. In fact, because it's a virtual conference, it could be possible. The technology itself is the new norm. For the first time, probably in history, the organizers are based in different cities, and it's organized by the Indian Orthodontic Society, the head office, the office bearers. You know, the beauty of the scientific session is that even if you miss out a lecture, your favorite lecture in a parallel hall, you can, access that lecture post the conference for a stipulated time by your login credentials. By that, you don't miss out any scientific content. It will be there in the website for nearly 3 weeks. In my concluding lines, I will thank the President, Indian Orthodontic Society, Dr. Silju Matthew, Dr. Sridevi Padmanabhan, the Honorary Secretary, for having the trust in me and trusting me with this big responsibility, and a big round of applause for Dr. Salil Nene, the Organizing Secretary, and the whole team, COC team, the Conference Organizing Committee team, for the hard work they have put in. I wish and pray before the Almighty that all our hard work will be well appreciated by you all. At the same time, I extend my apology for any hitches that comes on the way, as this is new norm and we all are really new to this. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai iOS.